Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best aircraft RC plane reviews. The amphibious YF-350 RC plane is a versatile 2.4G radio-controlled glider made from durable EPP foam. Its waterproof design allows land and water use, while LED lights enhance visibility and fun. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists, it offers stable flight, easy control, and exciting outdoor entertainment for all ages.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.